It is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you're getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So guys, quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, we are starting with GainX 1200. Okay, we are starting with GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame, and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis. Okay, so these have been on downtrend for long. Right from here, it actually broke out from this particular support zone to sell more. Just like I have told you, each time there is a breakout, it is an opportunity for it to go in that direction for a very long time. Okay, so that is it. So you can see it kept on selling and selling, and it has gotten to this support region. If it breaks out below it, it will still sell more. Okay, so this is still very much on downtrend, and it is still selling at the moment. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. So guys, this is GainX 999, and of course this is still selling just the way we have seen this. Okay, it's been on downtrend right from here, and it has been selling since then, and it is still more of a downtrend than an uptrend. So it's going to be more selling opportunity for us right from there. So the next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 1200. It's actually sold till it got to this support region. It was unable to break out from there. So it's switching to an uptrend, and you can see it buying right now. So we are expecting it to get to this region first. If it breaks out above it, then it should get to somewhere here. Okay, so this is more of an buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be PayNext 999. This is PayNext 999, and just where we are saying this had been on downtrend for a while, but right now it has switched into an uptrend, and we can see it buying right now. Okay, so you can see it buying right now. Let me zoom it out a bit so that we will have a better understanding of what we are talking about. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity. So we actually expect it to get to this region first, and of course if it breaks out from there, it will get to this particular spot. Okay, and if it breaks out from there, then it should get to somewhere here. Okay, so this might be having pullbacks in between. Each of these pullback is an opportunity for you to jump into it again if you have not jumped into it before. Okay, so that you can milk the market right from there. We all started this right from here, and it has been buying since then, and it is still buying right now. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset, which is going to be the last one, is FX for FX volume 80. So guys, this is FX volume 80. Okay, so this is FX volume 80, and of course just the way we are seeing this, I'm coming. Let me take it to the current charts. Okay guys, right here on the current chart, just where we are seeing this actually started a downtrend right from here. Okay, and of course right here earlier today we had our entry point at this point, and we had some TPs highlighted. So TP 1, 2, 3 had been achieved, so just the fourth TP had not been achieved. So this actually got to this region, and it's trying to go back up. Okay, this is most likely to be a pullback. Okay, but if it breaks out above this level, then it's going to buy more. Okay, But if it doesn't, then it will switch back into a downtrend and sell more and try to achieve our last TP. At the moment, it is on pullback, so it is buying at the moment until it is unable to achieve, go further from this. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is going to be, buying at the moment. Okay, this might not be for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, and it will switch back into a downtrend and start selling right from there. So this is very, very important for us to know. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. In case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash again. And of course, if you are here to perfect your trading skill, you can watch my training video so that you will understand how it goes before you start using it on your real account. Okay, and if you love my content, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.